On February 17, 2024, a red tractor trailer arrived at a U.S. Border Patrol checkpoint. After a canine unit conducted a search of the vehicle, agents discovered 7 undocumented non-citizens concealed within the cab. The driver would then be detained in a separate room after requesting to contact his mother, but few hours later, as the cops went back to the detention room for some paperwork, they found his body lying lifeless on the ground.
Hey, put the cigarette out. Take the cigarette.
Where's the cigarette?
Come on.
Yeah, sure. Did you take photos? Yeah. You got your iPad? Yeah. Without your iPad. Yeah.
Any weapon on you, sir? Any weapon on the vehicle? Any narcotics weapons on the vehicle?
Do you have anything else in the tractor? No other personal property in there? Electronics, important religious items, pictures of kids, family members.
You know, I got a lot of mail. A lot of like mail.
Mail. Okay. All right. Pick up the sweater. You'll get it back right now. All right. There's a sweatpant have a band on it? Take it out. Do you have a knife on it? It doesn't come out, we'll cut it out.
Unfortunately, it's just part of the process. We just have people that try to hurt themselves.
That, you need to get the band on that sweatpant.
Come out.
All right, we're gonna have to cut it out.
Just pull them to one side for me, please.
Hey, back here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, take that one for you.
All right, take up the sandals. And then take up the socks. Good. And then the other foot as well.
Put it back on?
Yeah, you can put it back. So what do you have the ankle monitor on? What do you have the ankle monitor on?
It ain't house arrest, but me and my nerve got into it, and I ain't supposed to go around that area.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna have you stand on the wall real quick. I'm gonna do a quick pat down, okay?
Do you have an ID? I'm not seeing one in here.
Yeah, that's right there.
All right, put your hands on the wall, separate your feet. Mark, separate your feet.
Huh? Not right now. Who do you need to call?
My mom.
Your mom? Okay. We'll see. Okay. You're not obligated to a phone call, so we'll see if we have time. Where's your mom at?
At home, I guess.
In. Okay. And you know the number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll see how things go. And if we have time. I'll let you make a phone call, but it's gonna have to be on speakerphone, okay? All right. What's the process?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little while, that's for sure. We have to make a few phone calls to other agencies and stuff like that. You're going to be in custody at least for the weekend. Okay. We're going to submit your case to the courthouse. Either we are or HSI. And they're going to determine whether it's accepted or declined.
What's the name?
For prosecution for the charges for alien smuggling. Okay. Since it's Saturday, the courts aren't open on the weekends and Monday's a holiday. So technically probably Tuesday.
I'll be stuck into Tuesday.
Probably not in here, probably at the main station. But yeah, most likely. And then most likely Tuesday morning you'll have a hearing in front of the judge. And I don't really know here if they release you or not. I'm not too sure. So it kind of is still iffy since it's so early in the process. Okay. Someone's gonna come talk to you in a little bit, read you your Miranda rights, all that stuff. Okay. Does that make sense? Do you have any other questions? No? Okay. Do you have any medical conditions or anything? No? Okay. All right. We'll be with you in a little bit, okay? Yeah, just let us know when you're ready and we'll let you call her, okay?
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
You ready now?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do it then. Just keep your hands out of your pockets, okay? There might have been a phone in there. Right here? Okay. Come down. Oh, no one's gonna be able to, like, you can't really hear through this, I'll be honest with you. You're gonna wait?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little room or something. I wanna just tell my mom something.
You wanna what?
Just tell her something.
Okay. Well, just remember, it's about 9 o'clock here. Well, it's 8 o'clock here, so she's oh, it's what? Almost,
Yeah, it's the same. But
oh, it's the same?
yeah,
Oh, okay. All right.
you can take the phone in the room. Let's talk to you. Okay. Damn.
No.
Well, can you talk to her for me?
No. No. Here, let's go back over there, okay? If you're not gonna make the phone call, then. All right. We'll come back and get you in a little bit, all right?
Jack. God damn it. Come on, pull him up. Get it.
Hold on.
He fucking showed me his jacket. Get it.
No, sternum rub, guys. Sternum rub. Rub your sternum rub. Hard. Hey, come on.
Come on, buddy.
Wake up.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, buddy.
Hey, wake up.
Wake up, man.
Move your. Come on. All right, guys.
You guys have a mask? Or...
Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30.
Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed. When patient's chest is bare, remove the white square package from lid of AED.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Tear open white package across dotted line and remove pads.
16, 19, 20,
Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tab corner.
I'll tell you there on this side where you put it.
Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on patient's bare chest, exactly as shown on pads. This pad can be placed on either of the two locations as shown on pads.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Next, peel second white pad from the blue plastic.
16, 17, 18.
Hold on, I heard finish
Firmly
at 30.
place the second pad on the other location exactly. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Shock not advised. It is now safe to touch the patient. If needed, perform CPR as instructed. Place heel of one hand on center of chest between nipples. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Press the patient's chest down rapidly, 1/3 the depth of chest. Then release. Start CPR. Press, 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 press,
Hold his hand,
press,
guys. Hold his hand.
press, 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 press.
After 20 minutes of delivering the CPR, ambulance arrived to take the body to the hospital, but on getting there, he was pronounced deceased.